Good people. Let me turn that down. Today is Friday, March 29th, I think. The Friday before Import Alliance, which is where I'm headed right now. I'm headed up to Atlanta, Georgia to meet up with my big brother Adam and Lane. The two guys who have the nicest Civics I've ever seen. I'm meeting up with them today. We're gonna go, I guess I'm meeting them at the hotel that we got. And we'll see what happens after that, but yeah. Headed to Atlanta for Import Alliance today. Adam was nice enough to let me stay in his hotel room with him, so shout out to him for that. Great guy. I got about an hour until I get there, so yeah, I guess I'll see you guys when I pull up. Okay, I'll take that back. I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit while on my way up there. So I'm just kind of driving and thinking like, man, it sure is lame that I'm taking a completely stock Ford F-150 to Import Alliance and not the car. Most of you know the car isn't done right now, but if I did take the car, I wouldn't be able to take this really awesome bike up there. I don't think I could fit that in my car unless I like took it apart halfway. But yeah, it's kind of lame. I have to take the truck, but at least it's comfortable and I can take the bike, so that's a plus. So when I pull up to the pre-meet, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys about that. There's a pre-meet. They always have a pre-meet every Friday night before the Import Alliance meet. So we'll be going to that too. But yeah, again, I got to take the truck to it because you know, my car's not finished yet. But I have a lot of good stuff coming out for the rebuild series on that car. I gave you guys a few little sneak peek on the video, on the unboxing video where I unboxed the bike, I think, which probably came out yesterday or 2 days ago. But yeah, I gave you guys a little sneak peek on the progress I've made on it. It's coming out. It's gonna be sick, bro. I promise. You guys are gonna love it. I just gotta catch up on all the editing. I'm like maybe 6 videos behind just in rebuild series alone. Probably, I think about 6. So you guys will be getting some of that really, really soon. Maybe I'll try to edit up a couple of them tonight once we get settled in the hotel. And I'm gonna try to get this video out tomorrow, which will be the day of Import Alliance. Tomorrow's Saturday, so hopefully I can get the internet. I mean, if the internet's pretty decent at the hotel, hopefully it'll be out tomorrow. Hey, a BRZ. Ooh, it's a new one too. I know where he's going. All right, I'm at the hotel. There's, I think his name's Cole, Adam, and Lane. So they're over there at that place. I think it's an ice cream place. So I'm gonna go run over there and meet up with them. Whose man's? Yep. Is this all carbon fiber? Yeah, it is.
Fenders, duckbill, not sure.
Hey there. Yeah, I totally forgot. I haven't like updated anybody on what's been going on with your car, but like the last time y'all saw it at Helen, it was blue, and now it's this what's it, black rose? Ooh. I might just go ahead and save some money and try to wrap my car because that looks
about
good.
A month. We did it on like off days from work.
Yeah, so that's probably about how long it's gonna take me to do mine, if I do it myself anyway. But yeah, that looks good.
For sure.
Ooh-wee. What an honor it is to ride in the cleanest Civic I've ever seen in my life.
Calm down.
Ever.
Calm down.
Not even exaggerating. guy's letting us do this, but he's cool as crap for that. He's letting us into the stadium. This is a random security guy came up and was like, hey, y'all want to go in? And yeah, we're going in a day early, which is pretty sick. I've never actually been here when it wasn't packed out with cars, or except for the one time I came for a NASCAR race some years ago. That was a long time ago. Yeah, this is weird. I think that's an 8611. I don't really know my classics that well, but I've been watching like Initial D a lot lately, and it looks pretty darn close. Yeah, that's 8611. I actually got it right. There's no way he's taking us on the track.
Or the winner's circle.
I've never been up here on this side.
You know?
I mean, when I've sat up there, but I've never been down here, like on this side of the track before ever. This is where all the drifters pit.
Right here.
Oh my god, this is sick.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Wow. Now, if we can get up there and take some pictures, that'd be the sickest thing ever. Man, I wish my car was finished. Oh man, that sucks. You guys are so lucky. Wow. I wouldn't be able to make this turn, but man. Look at Cole. Yeah. He's gonna work it out. Stupid autofocus. Oh, it's on manual, that's why. Yeah, he's about to get like a lot of love on his IG for this. Shout out this guy over here for letting us over here. He's the man. So shout out to that security guy for letting us into the winner's circle of what is this stadium? Atlanta Motor Speedway? Yeah. He actually let us into the winner's circle to like shoot stuff. If that's not the most gas thing ever, I don't know what is. This man is actually letting us get onto the track. I can't believe this.
The legend.
I never in a million years would have thought I would ever like get to be on the track. Look at this. Which makes it even like more so how much I hate that my car is not here. This is the greatest suckish experience I've ever been through. Man, oh man. Oh my god. The footage that will come out of this. I can't believe this. Incredible. No! So give yourself a shout out so everybody knows who's the guy who was cool enough to let us in here.
Oh man, I'm just the old security guard down here at Atlanta Motor Speedway.
Oh man, you being humble. His name's Don.
Yeah, man.
We're literally out here on the track. Like we could not ask for a better.
Yeah,
I do though. I got the best job around town here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We honestly appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't. Tomorrow's gonna be boring compared to this.
Yeah, compared to this, like you literally ruined tomorrow for us.
Oh,
compared to this,
I didn't mean to ruin nothing. Yeah. Thought I'd let y'all see a little preview.
Yeah, well, we appreciate it, man. This has been great.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Shout out again to the security guy. We're about to get out of here off the track now because we've been out here for a while just enjoying ourselves. Just about time to go get something to eat because we're starving, and I'm gonna be a big man and get an alcoholic beverage. If you're
not 18 and older, then please exit this part of the video.
I don't get drunk. I don't. That's him.
How you doing?
All right, so I just absolutely destroyed some food. I guess we're gonna go ahead and try to make the pre-meat now. Even though it's gonna get shut down in probably no time at all, we'll give it a shot. And we'll all just hop in the truck. Because nobody wants to drive, but I'll drive.
Got the itis.
Okay, so we didn't go to the pre-meet. I'm gonna sit down and try to go ahead and edit this video, get it out tomorrow. Hopefully, if the Wi-Fi here isn't too slow. This is what I'm trying to figure out now. But all in all, it was a great day. We got to actually go on the track at Atlanta Motor Speedway. That's crazy. And the winner's circle. Shout out to Don, for the security guard, for letting us in. Yeah, I'm trying to go ahead and knock this video out and get it out to you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe. I think I just hit 1,000 subscribers like yesterday. So
Yeah, I had to tell him.
yeah, he told me. And yeah, peace out. See you guys tomorrow. I'm saying see you guys tomorrow like I'm a daily vlogger now, but not happening.